How to plan a vacation on a budget. Vacations are a terrific way to escape a rut, a chance to have fun and discover something new, but they're typically pricey. You'll always want to get the most for your money, whether you're planning a lavish vacation or trying to scrape by on a tight budget. A vacation involves many details, so planning might be difficult. There are therefore numerous opportunities to save money. 1. Think about locations that are uncommon. Tourist hotspots are typically pricey and frequently lack authenticity. Consider other nations that aren't as well known for tourism. Find a town alternatively close to a significant location. Prices will typically be lower, but you can still travel quickly to well-known tourist attractions. 2. Travel when it's not peak season. Most tourist locations tend to be more expensive and in demand at particular seasons of the year. In general, warm weather climates like Hawaii are more expensive in the winter compared to colder climates like Europe in the summer. Around the holiday season, prices frequently increase as well. 3. Investigate packaged deals. When lodging, travel, and daily costs are included, vacations are frequently the cheapest option. Look for vacation packages on sites like Travelzoo and Groupon. Additionally, this can simplify the planning process and make calculating your budget much simpler. 4. Remain close. The simplest approach to save money is to avoid taking a lengthy vacation. Stay nearby so you can drive to cut the cost of your trip's airfare. You might occasionally be able to avoid paying for a hotel as well. Visit the beach, go camping, or on a historical site tour. 5. Bundle hotel stays. You may combine the booking of your flights, lodging, and rental vehicle on websites like Expedia, Priceline, Hotwire, and Travelocity for a discount. Combining all of these purchases can result in significant financial savings. 6. Early, frequent, and extensive search. The price of flights vary considerably depending upon the provider and how well tickets are selling. The only way to guarantee that you get the greatest value is to shop around at as many locations as you can and to check frequently. Use online tools that let you predict if ticket prices will rise or fall. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.